All right. This is a decent male rat here. And so when you skin them, it's nice. This isn't my normal skinning setup. I normally will have a table that's a little higher, and I'll clip the tail so you get a little tension here. So you open that, and one thing to remember that's changed from the old days is right now it's all about the belly.
What?
Yeah, all about the backs have no value right now. And they're using the bellies for liners and coats and so forth. I'm sure they're keeping the backs for someday, but it's all about the belly right now. And that's different than years ago. And so if I made a mistake, it might be already in that you want to maximize this side of your rat, the length of this side. That belly fur is nice and soft. And I'm using the Arctic Fox skinning knife. And the key to skinning rats and most critters is it's more pulling than it is cutting. And your knife's going to stay sharper if you avoid bones, and in the head area will dull your knife. In Australia, we call it a knife. But I'm in South Dakota right now, so I'll just call it a knife. So now we're going to get it loose around the feet. And I have a guy he skins for me, and he can peel a rat in like 45 seconds. That's pretty good. And it's not like he's fast with his hands, but he just figures out all the moves and then he gets better at them. So you pull the belly away, and because it's a pain in the butt when that belly breaks open. Here you can see the glands. It's breeding season. These have good value. They have value in deer lures and fox and coyote lures, and I don't know what else they go to, but they're very valuable. And so I leave them on the pelt, and then when I go to scrape these, that's when I harvest those glands, and I put them in glycerin. And I just sell them mainly. I use some in my lures I market. I'm going to try and keep this pelt off of the dirty tailgate. And it's all about tension when you skin. The cameraman, he's in close now, so I'm probably going to make a big eye hole because I'm very nervous. When I'm on camera, I'm quite nervous. I'll cut into my waders. Is that my phone dinging, Herm? Did you hear a ding?
Maybe. I was thinking it might be mine, but...
We're waiting for a truck, a AAA truck. I don't know what they're going to do because we got 2 flat tires and I only have 1 spare.
That's Pete Nowacki.
Oh. Oh, I bet it's about the Masters. So there's our skinned rat. And he's nice and dry. The fur's dry. You want them dry when you skin them because they after you skin them, they're hard to dry for some reason. That's it. That'll go as at least a 1X. And I don't see any holes in them either. That's a problem in the spring, is they start fighting with each other, and I don't see any holes. Sometimes when you flush them, you see some holes. There's an old scar. All right.
Wiebe Knives, voted one of Field & Stream's best hunting products. It's the last knife you'll ever need to buy to use in the outdoors. Every Wiebe knife comes with up to 24 wicked sharp replacement blades, so you'll never be caught with a dull knife. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your Wiebe knife today with up to 24 free replacement blades at WiebeKnives.com.